In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload any image to Squarespace and adjust sizes easily in 2025. Whether you're a complete beginner or just need a quick refresher, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the process effortlessly. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to log into your Squarespace account. If you're already a member, simply head to the Squarespace website and enter your credentials. If you're new, you'll need to create an account and confirm your email address before proceeding. Once you're logged in, you'll arrive at your Squarespace account dashboard. From here, you'll want to access your website. Within your account dashboard, you'll see a list of your sites. Select the one you'd like to work on. This will bring up your website's main page where you can make all sorts of customizations. Next, we're going to edit your website. It's a seamless process, trust me. Navigate to the specific page where you want to add the image. Once you're on the desired page, you'll need to add a new block. To do this, click on Add Block and then select Image. This action will give you the option to either upload an image directly from your computer or select one from your existing library. If there's an image file you've saved on your device, now's the time to upload it, or feel free to browse through your pre-uploaded options and pick one from your library. After you've chosen and uploaded your image, it's essential to save your changes to ensure everything is updated on your live site. Look for the save button and give it a click. This is a crucial step to make sure your uploaded image is visible to your viewers. Once your image is uploaded and saved, you can customize its size right within the image block. Simply hover over the image and notice the resizing handles appear. By dragging these handles left or right, you can make your image larger or smaller according to your design needs. It's a fantastic way to ensure that your images fit perfectly into your web page layout. Play around with it to see what size works best with your overall site design. And that's it, you've successfully uploaded an image to your Squarespace site and learned how to make quick adjustments to its size. Smooth, right? With these simple steps, adding visual elements to your site has never been easier. Feel free to revisit any of these steps if you need a little more practice. And remember, the more you experiment with design, the more confident you'll become in customizing your website. I hope you found this guide useful and that it aids you in making your Squarespace site more visually appealing. Thanks for tuning in and happy designing.